off this piece. So the first attached nozzle we're going to try out is the turbo nozzle. Your standards, pretty much everyone sees those. You got your, they're all different degrees. You got your 15, 25, 40 and soap. And the turbo is my preference, a better nozzle all the time. You can even clean cars with it and stuff, just don't get too close. Anybody that doesn't buy this pressure washer but wants a turbo nozzle, this one's at Walmart for 20 bucks. That's the one I use. And I got 2 of these just in case there's a ceramic ball in there and sometimes they'll break. So I just have a backup one just in case. So we'll go ahead and start the water.
You were going to check the oil as well?
Yep, we'll do that. Good call there. Just make sure it's alright. Yep, it's right on there. That hole's filled with oil. So no electric start. Not like the. We'll let the pump prime. Make sure you don't start your pump dry. You don't want to do that. That's pretty good. So we'll go ahead. This is the first start. I guess we'll use the choke. So on is up. Pulling out the start until it clicks. First pull of a brand new machine. Okay, so now we'll push it back to run since we started cold. It's a nice day out. It's about 77 degrees here. Says 3,300 psi, 2.82 gallons per minute, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. And I have it too. I'm sure this one's a little bit different than the one I have. It is a 3,100 psi pressure washer, so to have more on a lesser machine is actually better. You won't blow it out.